tutorial video dedicated to assemble the metallic version of the Starship MK-1. It's the same as the original paper version that I have released, and you have seen the videos, but it explains a little more detail how to handle the metallic paper. Alright, we're gonna go and see the PDF file. Notice that each page will tell you what to use, whether metallic paper or cardstock, regular cardstock. In this case, where it says metallic paper, this side, this page has to be printed out on the white side of the metallic version. It is expected, obviously, that you will need to find a metallic paper that is only metallic or shiny, has a shiny side, and the back it should be white or not totally white, blank. So again, all these are the rings that will make the nose cone. These are the connectors that will glue each ring to make the nose cone. But as it is indicated that these connectors have to be printed on cardstock, as you can see here. Let's continue. The body you can check my previous video on the paper colored version of the MK1. It explains, but these are to be glued on metallic paper on the back side as well. The lower part of the body, metallic. These are the connectors. This is cardstock, engine, check the wall of the engine section. This is cardstock as well, connectors, and these little access ports that have to be glued on top of the body. The formers, we'll know the importance that these formers have to be glued at this distance. Here you have the canards and the wings. It's one page to glue them, to print them all. Obviously, and you have seen on previous videos how these parts have to be scored, these lines. Alright, this is metallic, this is cardstock. These are the parts that will put together wings and parts of the wings. Yes, we have seen these parts as well. This is to be printed in cardstock. These parts are glued to the sides of the body, and they will serve to hold each wing and to have them move. Alright, skin of parts of the wings. Engine section, this has to be printed on cardstock. We all know that. Raptor engines, cardstock, and this second page is a back print of this page. We all know that. And our reference page where you can see the parts. Alright, thank you for checking this video, and follow the sequence of the next videos that I will show you how to put together the MK1 Starship metallic version. Thank you, guys. Okay, and we're gonna start building the body of the MK1 metallic version. These pages will assemble the entire body. It has 4 parts: top and bottom, and front and back portions. These pages have to be scored, have to be printed on the white side of a metallic paper, and these lines, all these lines have to be scored. It's very important how to score these lines. I'm going to show you that because this is going to be curved as a cylinder, these horizontal lines are going to be scored first. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. All right, so let's go to our model. All right, so we are here, and I have some pages already cut. These are already cut from metallic paper, and as you can see, everything has been printed on its white portion, on its white side. So I'm just going to demonstrate how we do this. And just because this is going to be curved following the long axis as a cylinder, the lines that are crossing along these horizontal lines have to be scored first. So we're going to score these lines. All right, we're going to use our tool, our scoring tool, and a ruler, and we're just going to one scoring. You don't have to overdo it, just one line. All the horizontal lines. Okay, we're going to do that on the entire page, all the horizontal lines. All right, I have scored all the lines, and if you can see here on the metallic side, you could see the lines that I have scored. But now we're going to score these lines as well. Otherwise, it will not look with the effect that we want to make as on this one. This is the final product, and you could see the lines, how they have been scored. You can see the texture as a recess inwards. Okay, you can see a groove here on each line, as compared to this one. It's not final yet, so we're going to score these lines. Same process, only one line on the same tracing. Don't overdo it, don't go back and forth, only one line, just like that. On all the lines that you have scored, you're going to do this, only one line. Just be very careful to scoring that same line that you just did. So this is what okay. Alright, let's keep scoring the entire page. Alright, now after we have scored all these lines, now we're going to curve this paper. Remember, we're curving it along the width, the small diameter as a tube. There are different ways to curve the paper. You can use a big rod, or you can just do it like this. It's curved. Alright, that's what we want to do. Now, after the paper is curved, now we can proceed and score the vertical lines. Alright, you don't need to curve it anymore because it's already shaped. So we're going to start scoring the other lines as well. It is going to be a long process, but you have to be patient. Only one line, don't overdo it. It's the same process. Alright, we have scored all the other lines, and here you could see on the the front, the new scored lines, but we still have to score these new ones. So let's go ahead and score the lines that you just did, only one tracing. Be sure where each line starts and ends. All right, so there it is. This is how we curve it. So our next step would be just to glue these, add the tab here, and start gluing the body. So this is just to demonstrate how part of the model using metallic paper can be done with this technique. All right. There's also this little section here that needs to be done. This case is so minute that you can use an inkless pen. So I'm just scoring each line here. Once you complete, you will do the lines that you just made here on the metallic side. You can use a ruler to make it straight. But that will be the technique to here. We have I have a finished section now. You could see how it came out. All right. That's for small parts.